talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many operations on Gmail. You will click on settings. Then in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Gmail and you can click. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you can update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.